cruiser at Unique Specialty and Classics. Check this one out. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Same owner since new, or same family since new. According to the original owner, 75,617 actual miles. This wasn't showing. Again, that's according to the previous owner. 425 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the chrome and bright work up front. See, those filler panels look good, both the passenger and driver's side. There's a few spots you might see a little bit of touch up here and there, but overall paint has a nice shine to it. If you want to see the still pictures, so you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on white wall radials, Cadillac center wheel covers, I should say. Not just center caps, but wheel covers. Take a look at the long panels on this car. You can see they're nice and straight. Technicians did make a few notes when they looked over this car. Brake pads are good. Rotors may need some attention, as well as the rear shocks, which you can kind of see in the video and pics. And the front and bottom ball joints will also need a little attention. You can see up and down the passenger side, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. White exterior with white leather interior and red carpeting and dash. I guess a little more of a wine color than true red. Partial vinyl top. A few little wear spots just where it's dried a little bit. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or hey, just taking it down the road, no doubt about that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the filler panels on the rear, also in nice shape. Along the wall over there, if you noticed, will come with a car cover. This must be where it was sold new. Long Cadillac, St. Paul. Old school placard or dealership emblem. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you're into the 70s Cadillacs or Cadillacs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Vehicles have their videos done daily, and when the videos are done on them, they are available to purchase. Videos are uploaded to where you're watching them now, as well as all those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see those. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take this car for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. That door panel looks like pretty nice shape. Not really discolored much on that armrest. Up here, power windows, power locks, power seat. Over here on the driver's side, obviously the leather seating surface showing some wear here. A little bit dry on the driver's side. Tilt column, AM, FM, 8-track radio. Did have the radio working too. Again, believed to be original miles according to previous owner, 75617. Same family since new. Fired up. The dash is in nice shape. Doesn't appear that it sat outside a whole lot. Looks like the clock is in up, so you're aware of that. Radio, got that working.
All these choices can be overwhelming. Hi, this is Lauren from Rickway Carpet.
8-track. About the antenna. That was without the antenna up. I believe antenna's up on the front. Doesn't look like power antenna works. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Fuel gauge appears to be working right there, as you can see. It sounds as you'd expect. Very stock sounding. Did click on the lights there too. See, the tail lights were working fine. Headlights looking good. Let me pause this a second. Let's go ahead and pop this hood. Check out the engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around. Jason's going to take it for a drive. All right, I got the hood open, but real quick, one of the reasons I want to make sure the lights are on. We get this question quite a bit in the videos, if the opera lights work. So I wanted to show you on both sides on this one. They are working. That's why I clicked those lights on. There you go. All right, now up to power plant. Again, 425 V8 power steering, power brakes, AC. Looks like a newer alternator, as well as master cylinder, brake cylinder in the back there, I noticed. There's a battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. Give you a good look at that engine bay. And of course, the underside of the hood. '75 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
This is a 1978 Cadillac Eldorado that we're driving today. Love the red dash they put in these. Red dash, red pillars on the side of the windshield. Red carpet in contrast with the white interior and exterior, with some wood grain thrown in, of course, for 1978's sake. Nice looking car. Very plush leather seating. A little bit of a belt squeal there. The AC is blowing cold in this car. Nice smooth Cadillac ride, luxurious to say the least. Radio in the dash. That is working as it should. Wipers work on this car. White headliner, that is looking pretty good, matching the seats and the door panels. Nice quiet ride, not wind noisy. You know, some of these older cars you might get a little weather strip wind noise. This one doesn't seem to have any. Very nice. Power windows. Cruise control is working on this car. Power brakes are functioning as they should. The era of the hood ornaments. The large Cadillac hood ornament on the end of the hood. You gotta have that if you have one of these. And this one is looking good. Corners very luxuriously. Easy to steer, great power steering. Kick down is working on that automatic transmission. This is an automatic on the column. Very easy to drive, comfortable Cadillac. Check out all the pictures and learn more about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.